Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to activate your Sparkasse debit card. The first method is using a Sparkasse ATM. Insert your card into the machine and enter your PIN. Look for the card services or activation menu on the screen. Follow the instructions to activate your card. This method immediately links your card to your account, allowing you to use it for withdrawals and payments right away. The second method uses the Pushtan app on your phone. When you receive your card, Sparkasse sends a separate mail with an activation password and a QR code. This applies to Sparkasse Withdrawals and Sparkasse Oder Spree. Open the Pushtan app, scan the QR code from the letter, and enter the activation password exactly as it is written. This links your card to your online banking for secure use. After completing any of these steps, your card is ready to use. Test it by making a small payment or withdrawing a small amount of cash to make sure it works. Thanks for watching.